Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a look using all Melt Cosmetics, and since it's my first impression of the brand, I'll be sharing my honest thoughts on each product. We'll be testing out the Best of Melt bundle, an expertly curated set featuring 6 of Melt Cosmetics' best-selling products with everything you need for a full face glam. I'm starting with the Warm Browns Petite eyeshadow stack. This stack has 6 different shades. Let's go ahead and swatch them. Sand, Spark, Toasty, Tamarind, and Char. I think it's super convenient for travel, but unfortunately the shade Toasty did arrive broken. First, I'm dipping into Toasty and applying this to the outer part of my crease. The swatches were promising, so I figured that the shadows would apply really smooth, and they do. We are continuing on and going in with the shade Char. This is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm applying it to my outer V. It does take quite a bit of effort to blend this shade, but it is basically black, so that's pretty understandable. We've got a really nice smoky eye going, and I'm just going to continue that down onto the bottom lash line. I'm keeping the look matte and going in with the shade Sand. The color payoff of this one is pretty insane. Up next is the Cream Blushlight. This is in the shade Honey Thief. Let's swatch it. That swatched so creamy and smooth, and the pigment is definitely there, so let's try it on. I'm just going to diffuse it on the back of my hand and then apply. The swatch definitely didn't lie. It looked juicy when I first swatched it, so creamy and pigmented, and that is definitely the case when applying. Now I'm going to try the Slick Waterline Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Black Onyx, and oh my goodness, that swatch was exceptionally creamy and pigmented. I'm applying this right up against my lashes and smudging it with my little pencil brush. This is probably the creamiest eyeliner I've ever applied to my eyelids. A lot of eyeliners have a really hard time smudging out and blending, but this one is easy peasy. It's definitely very slick, so I'm wondering about the staying power. It's so black too. This is a must-have for smoky eyes. After that, we're trying the Supernatural Lash Mascara. The brush has an hourglass shape to add volume, and this is actually a fiber mascara, so natural fibers will adhere to each individual lash. As you guys probably already know, my lashes don't do too much. They're quite short and they usually go straight down. I have been getting a better result with the Shiseido lash curler though. So this is what we're looking at. Before, after. The brush is a little bit big for my liking. I just have such small eyes, so I really need a small brush so I don't get black everywhere. The bundle includes 2 lip products, a lip liner, and a lipstick. So let's take a look at the lip liner first. This is in the shade Mocha, and since it's a traditional wooden lip pencil, it can easily be sharpened so that you always have a fine point for extreme precision. But what I happen to experience with lip pencils like this is that there is a little bit of tugging, and they're not quite as creamy as retractable ones. However, they still perform really well, especially in this one's case. It applied super smoothly and with intense color payoff. Finally, I'm applying the Ultra Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Pink Noise, and here's a quick swatch. It's your standard lipstick in a pretty standard pink shade, but I have no complaints. It's so soft and comfortable, and I'm loving this combo. And that completes my first impressions of Melt Cosmetics. This is actually such a cohesive little set. Everything goes together really well, and it's a great introduction to the brand. Overall, I'm really satisfied with the performance of all of the products I tried. Let me know if you're a fan of Melt Cosmetics in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on my other socials. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.